Haji Munawar Ali Abbasi was a prominent Sindh politician, social leader, sports patron, and one of the important leaders of the Pakistan People's Party. He was born on 30th September 1944 in the house of Haji Khan Muhammad Abbasi in village Walid Tehsil and district Larkana. He received his early education from Government Primary School Walid, while he passed his matriculation from Government High School Larkana in 1960. After that, he did his BA LLB from Government Degree College Larkana in 1966, from Government Law College Larkana in 1981. During his student days, he was keenly interested in sports, especially volleyball and cricket, and was known as a good player. Later, he also rendered important services for the promotion of sports. He was the president of the District Cricket Association Larkana in 1977, the president of the Larkana Divisional Cricket Association in 1989, a member of the Sindh Sports Board from 1995 to 1996, and a life member of the Board of Cricket Control of Pakistan (BCCP). Haji Munawar Ali Abbasi's political affiliation was with the Pakistan People's Party from the beginning. He was one of the founding members of the party. He was the president of the People's Party, Taluka Larkana, from 1970 to 1973. The General Secretary of the Larkana district from 1973 to 1976. And a member of the Pakistan People's Party Sindh Council until the death of Shaheed Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto. During the martial law era, he actively participated in the movement for the restoration of democracy (MRD) and suffered many hardships during this struggle. In 1979, he was elected as a member of the Larkana District Council. In 1980, he became the chairman of the Taluka Council of Larkana, and in 1981, the vice chairman of the Larkana District Coordination Committee. In 1983, during the MRD movement, he resigned from all his government posts in protest. In the 1987 local government elections, he was elected as a member of the Larkana Municipal Committee on the Pakistan People's Party ticket, and then as its chairman, where he served in public service until 1990. On 8 November 1988, he was elected as a member of the Sindh Assembly as a candidate of the Pakistan People's Party. During this time, he also got the responsibilities of the Ministry of Transport, Population Development and Local Government. He was re-elected as a member of the Sindh Assembly in 1990. In the 1993 general elections, he contested against Shaheed Mir Murtaza Bhutto, but could not win. After this, in the 1997 general elections, he was elected as a member of the Sindh Assembly from the Warra constituency and continued his service in the political arena. Haji Munawar Ali Abbasi passed away on 26 June 2020. He will always be remembered for his political struggle, commitment to democracy, public service, and patronage of sports.